Guys,
Yummy.
nag-lunch
Sisig,
akong
spicy.
family, akong parents diri, pagkaon sa akong papasisig, kaloy, rice, ilang rice na i-design, nami sa Love Resort. My mom, addict sa cellphone. Unya, mo na yung pagkaon, adobo, lami ko dugnaw, oy. Martin, enjoying the pineapple shake. Yeah, we're gonna go out later because he wants pizza. Mine is this beautiful mango shake, yummy.
Pwede na butang rin mo.
No, butang. Oh, butang. There. The view. So nice. This is holiday. Magunsa ka ma.
Wani ka?
Oh. Nya lami ra.
Lami.
Unsa man imong gikaon?
Pork adobo.
Dilay-lahi dito ang style sa adobo. Abisan ako ka ng dry, di ba?
Dahil adobo nga, marang na siya prito. Ano sa nila isang ka na, lain.
Mukbang!
Here's one for dreamers who took that step. Here's one for every time they jumped without a net. Here's one for misfits who broke the rules, who feared the boredom more than scorn or ridicule. You're scared to fly in the endless sky when the voices say that there's no way you'll ever make the grade. Let's say you try and you fall from high. When the sun is set, will you regret the fall or the times you did nothing at all? Here's one for magic that lives within. For
Oh my God. Init sa labas. Ang lamig dito. Ganda. See you later. Busy kami konti ngayon. But we're enjoying our vacation here in Love Resort dito sa Malboal.